Starting a business is exciting, but it can also feel overwhelming. With so many ideas, industries, and opportunities, the question becomes, where do you even begin? The answer lies in one word: niche. Your niche is the specific corner of the market where you can stand out, solve problems, and build a loyal audience. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to find your niche, why it matters, and the steps you can take to turn it into a powerful business foundation. Think of your niche as your business's lane. If you try to be everything to everyone, you end up blending into the noise. But when you focus on a niche, you immediately become more memorable. For example, imagine two fitness coaches. One says, "I help people get healthy." The other says, "I help new moms lose postpartum weight safely at home." Who do you think will attract more attention from the right audience? The second coach. Why? Because they're speaking directly to a specific group with a specific problem. A niche gives you clarity. It gives your customers confidence that you are the right person to help them. And it makes your marketing far more effective. So how do you actually find your niche? I like to use a 3-part formula. 1. Passion. What do you love to do or talk about endlessly? If you're not passionate, it'll be hard to stay motivated when things get tough. 2. Skill. What are you good at? Maybe it's a professional skill, or maybe it's a personal talent. The point is, you need to be able to deliver real value. 3. Market demand. Where is there a problem people are willing to pay to solve? Passion and skill are great, but without demand, it's just a hobby. When these 3 overlap, passion, skill, and market demand, you found the sweet spot for your niche. Here are some questions to guide your thinking. What topics do people constantly ask me for advice on? What problems do I see in my industry or community that frustrate me? Who do I actually enjoy helping or working with? Could I see myself doing this 5 years from now and still be excited? Write these down. Your answers will reveal patterns that point toward your potential niche. Once you've got some ideas, it's time to validate them. Here's how. Search online forums like Reddit, Quora, or Facebook groups to see what problems people are discussing. Look at competitors. If others are making money in that space, that's a good sign. Your job isn't to reinvent the wheel, it's to find your unique angle. Check search volume. Use free tools like Google Trends to see if people are actively looking for solutions in your niche. This research prevents you from guessing and helps you build on actual demand. Let's put this into perspective with some examples. Instead of starting a broad clothing brand, maybe your niche is sustainable streetwear for college students. Instead of life coaching, your niche could be career coaching for introverts navigating corporate jobs. Instead of food blogging, you could niche down to 30-minute meal prep for busy parents. The more specific you are, the easier it is to connect with the right people. So here's the truth. Finding your niche isn't about limiting yourself, it's about creating focus. When you know exactly who you serve and what problem you solve, everything else falls into place. Your marketing, your messaging, even your confidence as a business owner. Don't wait until everything feels perfect. Start exploring, test your ideas, and listen to the feedback. Your niche may evolve over time, and that's okay. The most important thing is to take action today. Remember, your business doesn't need to serve everyone, it just needs to serve someone really well. That's the power of finding your niche.